fabulous people. I am Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dietta. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton Louise hoop earrings. So I've been seeing these earrings all over social media, all over YouTube. I am a big lover of Louis Vuitton. That is my first love as far as houses of design go. And so I just had to get these earrings and they just arrived. So I haven't even opened the box yet. So when you guys see my reaction, that's the first reaction. Before we get started, if this is your first time joining me, I want to say welcome. Thank you for joining. If you're a return viewer, I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me and thank you for coming back. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notifications so you will never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Okay, so like I mentioned, I've been seeing these earrings all over YouTube, all over Instagram, story time. So I kept checking the website and they were sold out, which, you know, is common. When people like stuff, a lot of it sells out. And so I just kept checking the website, and it just kept saying out of stock, please check back later. And so one night I was watching a YouTube video and the lady was doing a review on the Louise hoops. And something said, I said to myself, go check the website. And they were back in stock. Oh, I literally had just checked like 2 hours before. So I was asking my niece, I was like, do you think I should get these earrings? Because I know they're not real gold. And they are very, very expensive. Right now they're retailing for $715. And it's not real gold. It's gold colored metal. What kind of metal? The website does not specify. But we took it as a sign from God that I had just checked a couple of hours earlier and they were out of stock. And when I see this YouTube video pop up and she's talking about her Louise hoops, that they are in stock. So I did the dang thing. And so here we are. So I just opened the inside of the box and this is what it looks like on the inside. Just box. Aww. Let's see if I can. Isn't that cute? They boxed it up and put the little ribbon on it. Now let's see. And then this, which I take it is going to be like my receipt. Let's see what we got here. There's like a pre-printed thank you card. This is some good card stock too. This ain't no paper. That's card stock, baby. And then there's my receipt. And then here is a little, it's just the invoice. It's a gift receipt, actually. What else is in here? And then there's another card stock. So I wrote myself a message. Stay fabulous, Donyetta. And will. So let me see something here. I might be able to finagle getting this ribbon off without actually breaking the bow. I don't think I am. So here we go. I have been waiting. And so the hoops that I have on today, they are my Tory Burch Miller hoops. I love these. If you follow me on social media, which you should, if you're not, I don't know what you're waiting on. Like, you will see these a lot. I've had these for years. I doubt they are real gold as well. And they have held up very, very well. All righty. So they're in this little dust bag. Isn't that cute? And here they are. Are they beautiful? So I am actually going to take off the earrings that I have on now and put these on. So my initial thoughts are, These feel really light to cost as much as they cost. I ain't even gonna lie. And so what you all probably cannot see is right there, there's a serial number and then there's an R. So you know which one goes in the right ear and which one goes in the left ear. So yeah, these feel really, really light. So this is the earring for the right ear. Yeah, these feel really, really light for them to have cost more. Than some people, most of us, spend on a car note. So I don't know. They're beautiful. And like, I'll do a comparison before I put them. So they are actually the same exact size as the Tory Burch Millers. And I can tell you for a fact, I don't know what I would have paid for those. Let me take this tag off. I don't know what I would have paid for those Tory Burch earrings, but I doubt it was over $100. I'll link those in the comments too, as well as these. And if you want these, you can just go to the store and find them if they're already sold out again on the website. But they're very... What do you guys think? Do you love them? These are giving me like 90s vibe. I feel like I should have on like some baggy jeans and like my Fila sneakers or something like that. So, I mean, I do like them. They are cute. They look good on. They're not heavy at all. But this price tag though, baby. I don't know. I got a viewing gallery over here. What you think?
I like them.
Are they worth it?
I think so. I think they look really good. They look good in the light too.
Are they $715 look good?
Yes. You look expensive.
I look expensive.
Yes.
Oh, snap! I look expensive! They are cute. I ain't gonna lie, man. Okay, your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectants, as they can damage leather and canvas products. Find complete care instructions on louisvuitton.com. So this saying leather and canvas products lets me know that it is most likely what they put in there for everything, and that would have to do more so with their leather goods than it does with these earrings, because this is not leather or canvas. And like I said, it ain't even real gold. There they are. See that? This clasp, I don't even know if it's gonna focus on that, it's so small. But this clasp is very sturdy. Hercules, hold on. So yeah, the clasp is very sturdy. I would not be afraid to like lose these if and when I do wear them out and about. But yeah, that's just, so I do really, really love them. And the sticker, the sticker shock, it is pretty, it's a little deep for these not to be real gold. But you know what? I was just thinking, like, some of the designer shirts and dresses and shoes and pants that I've been looking at have like a $400 plus price tag on it. And when I gain weight, like, these earrings are always gonna fit. That shirt and the pants might not. And then the shirt and the pants might not be in style. I think these will be in style forever. Yes, this is giving me living single, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air fabulousness. So yeah. So the sticker shock is quite crucial. Crucial conflict. If you're not too young, you caught that. But they're always gonna fit. Cause child, I got some shoes that I can't squeeze my feet in right now. Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if that's COVID water weight in my foot. And I got some pants and some shirts for sure that I ain't gonna lie and tell y'all that they still fit. And so, yeah, I love these. These are always gonna fit, whether my weight goes up or down, baby, up and down. These earrings gonna go right along with the new clothes I need to buy according to my weight. Fabulous! I do believe that these are a keeper. I'm so glad to add them to my collection. I don't have any designer jewelry. I have several Louis Vuitton pieces, luggage, small leather goods, handbags, but I don't have any of their jewelry. And so now I do, right? So if you can get over the sticker shock and you can get over the fact that they are not real gold, and you just want these earrings because you A, love Louis Vuitton, B, they are fabulous, C, they will look fabulous on you and all things above, I say rock with it. That's what I chose to do. So I knew that they look good on everybody else. So they're a pretty good size. Like I said, they're the same size as these Tory Burch Miller hoops that I have. So they're a pretty decent size. They do look really, really cute. I can foresee myself getting a lot of compliments with these bad boys on. So I'm gonna link the Tory Miller hoops, or the Tory Burch Miller hoops, down in the comments, as well as these. Good luck if you're looking for them. I hope that when you click the link, if you do so desire to order them, that they are in abundance and that you don't have to wait quite some time for them to restock up like I did. So that brings me to the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Maybe you feel inspired. Maybe you'll look into some of these Louise hoops, or maybe you've looked at them and been like, this is not for me. Either way you rock it. I thank you for viewing. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, please turn on your notifications so that you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Bye.